Man, you see this snow right now? Jesus Christ, I don't even have a backyard. See my car? My brother's car next to mine? And that other car? You can't even see them. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is like 3 feet of snow already. I don't even have a backyard. Damn. And I'm out in the snow. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look. See? Covering my, it's up to my damn kneecaps. Look at this. Look at this. Huh. Damn, this is not right. Up to my kneecaps. This makes no sense at all. This is why I hate New England. See? Fuck shoveling this shit tomorrow. Excuse my language. Excuse my French, by the way. And you see? My mom stuck. Top of the driveway. She has an SUV, mind you, and she can't get in. That's how deep this snow is.